Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you how to remove special characters from SQL. So this is my profile. I have 13 plus years of experience on Microsoft technologies. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is how to remove special characters from SQL. So let's jump to the demo. So if you are working as a SSIS developer, ETL developer, data engineer, or maybe on some other role where you are managing the data, so you might have been in this particular scenario that there are some special characters in the data and you are asked to remove the special characters from the data. So in this video I will show you how we can do that. So I got a table product underscore staging which contains just 10 records, and if you see the first name, so there are some special characters in the first 5 records. So you can see there is a plus sign, dot, star, dollar, at the rate. So there are some special characters in the first name, and if you check the phone number, so there are some alphabets as well, alphabets and special characters in the phone number as well, like A, B, C, test, TY, exclamation. So there are some special characters and alphabets, and there are only special characters. Okay, so I want to get rid of all of them. If you know like what special characters is present in your data, for example, if you know that there is a plus sign in your data, or for example if there is a dot in your data, then you can use a SQL function as well to remove that particular character with an empty string. But if you don't know like what special characters might be in your data, then there is a SQL function that I will give to you that you can use to just get a particular type of record. So for example, if from first name, if you need only the alphabets, like from A to Z, if you need only the alphabets, so you can just give the A to Z value to that particular function and it will return you only the A to Z characters, and it will remove everything like all special characters, all numbers. And if you need for example numbers as well, then you can pass like A to Z and then 0 to 9, so it will return you all the alphabets and all the numbers as well. So I will show you like how you can do that, and then I will also remove all the special characters and alphabets from phone numbers, so I will need only the 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, so there is a function that I will share with you as well, so you can just download it and you can use it in your scenario as well. This is the function. Let me just copy this function, and I can create this function on master database so that you can use this function from any other database as well, or if you want to create on a specific database, then it's fine as well. I can just create this function and then I can just close this one. Now how to use that particular function? Okay, so I have written these 3 scenarios here and I will explain each scenario with you. So let me first copy this one, this query, select star from product underscore staging. Okay, if you need only characters between A to Z, then what you need to do, you need to call this like this: select master.dbo.udf get characters, and then from this particular value you need only the A to Z. Okay, so right now there are hello dot dot at the rate, but if you need only A to Z, then it will return only the hello. So if I, for example, if I execute this one, then it should return only hello. Okay, and for example if you need characters between A to Z and numbers as well, then you need to pass like A to Z and then 0 to 9, so this will return hello 1 2 3. Okay, so if I execute this one, this will return hello space 1 2 3. Okay, and now for example if you need only the numbers, so here you got like hello dot dot at the rate 1 2 3, so this should return only the 1 2 3. Okay, so you can see that it return only the 1 2 3. So now how we can fix the data using this particular function? Okay, that's the thing. So in this particular table I'm going to fix the first name and then I'm going to fix the phone number as well. So let me just write 2 update statement, or I can write just 1 as well, but maybe I can show you just writing 2 update table set first name equal to, I can copy this one, actually this one. So instead of this hello dot dot at the rate 1 2 3, I will pass the column name. Okay, and now I need only the A to Z value from this column name, where first name is not equal to this value. Okay, so it won't update all records in the table, but only the one which are having the special characters. So because there are 10 records in the table, but only 5 records are having the special characters, so only those 5 records will be updated. Okay, so maybe I can use a begin run here so that I know if I updated anything wrong, then I can just roll back. So I started a transaction here, and now let me just execute this query. It updated 5 records, and now if I check the data here, so you can see that the data got updated correctly. Okay, so I'm good here. Now I need to write another update statement to remove the special characters from the phone number. So I can write another update query here. And there is one more thing, like before executing this query, what actually you can do, you can actually run a select query before running the update statement. Okay, so like how you can run the select query, you can select the phone number, original phone number from here, and then you can get the new phone number from here. So I can copy, for example, this line, and then I can replace the first name with the phone number, and instead of A to Z I need only the 0 to 9. Okay, and if I execute this query, so this is the original data with the special characters and the alphabets, and this will be the new data after, you know, after removing all the special characters and numbers. This value seems good to me. So you can run a select query first, and if you are satisfied with the new values, only then you can run the updates. So now I need to update the phone number, and I need to remove the special characters and alphabets from phone number, and then I can just copy this line here, paste it here, and not equal to this one. Okay, so because there are 10 records and I want to update only the bad records. Okay, so if I execute, then it should update only 5 records. Okay, so you can see that 5 rows affected. And now if I check the data in the product underscore staging, so now my data should be fine. So my data got updated correctly here, all special characters and alphabets got removed, and from here as well all special characters got removed. Okay, so now because I'm happy with my data, so I can run a commit now. Otherwise, if I updated anything wrong, then I can just roll back the query. So I did my commit here, everything is fine, and I will share this particular function with you and all this query with you, so that maybe you can use it in your scenario. And I will provide this update query as well, so you can just download it from Google Drive. I will share the link in the description of the video, so you can download from there. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all, so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.